Welcome to Disneyland.
One way you can get into Disney to avoid the lines getting in the gates is to jump on the monorail, and that takes you straight into the park. And as you get onto the monorail, that's when they check your tickets, and there's never really a lineup. So it can be a good idea, although they run every 15 minutes, so you want to time it right.
She said 3 minutes.
Yeah, we got 3 minutes till it comes, so we've timed it right.
This is my camera.
Clara has a new camera for her birthday to do some vlogging and photos, and you're loving it, aren't you? Yeah. So, cool fun fact, when you come into Disneyland just near the opening, you see the fire department there. Look above, in that room there's a light on, that's Walt Disney's apartment. And they keep a light on there all the time to honour his memory. Very cool.
Because I've been sing a song, sing a song.
Okay, I'm done now.
Excited for the character breakfast, Clara? What are we doing this morning? Who are we going to meet?
Well, it's Minnie's breakfast, so I was going to meet Minnie, but we're going to meet other characters.
Yeah? We're going to have some yummy food too.
Hey, Daddy!
Got your autograph book? It's coming!
Ready, hon?
Oh, I have to be adult, guys.
Oh my god. Alright, what's happening?
We're doing Minnie Mouse character breakfast, and we just had photos of Minnie Mouse. Oh, and we're lucky because the line just got big.
We did too, we are lucky. And do we get to meet other characters?
Yeah, we get to meet a lot of characters, and they keep coming to your table. Oh, look, there's...
And who are you?
I'm Jasmine.
Do a spin around. You're a beautiful Jasmine. And what about your sister?
Belle.
Oh my god, you girls are gorgeous.
So this is the autograph book, and what it is when you meet a character, you open it up to a new page, and it comes with a pen that matches the book, and they sign it, and you can put a picture in it of a picture of you, and they come in different like styles. Like this is Savannah's.
That's it. Oh, gorgeous.
It's you for the Halloween party.
Who are you?
Do you reckon he'll go all right?
You need to give him some tips.
I don't think there's enough tips to go around. Of course, Jasmine. Oh, Jasmine. That's a wet page. There you go. Savor that, all right?
you like me to sign up? Oh, thank you. Very nice to meet you, Princess Elena. Yours is wonderful. And you're all visiting from far away. Where are you visiting from? What country?
Some stuff up there.
Michaela, everybody look.
Yeah.
Seven, how old are you? 7. My goodness, you brought so many family members with you today. Are we celebrating something special or just some family time? Family time? Are we visiting from a kingdom far away? Where do you live? Australia. Oh my goodness, are you here on a holiday? Yeah. So how many days are we here at Disneyland? 10? Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Wonderful, I love it. So is it anyone's first time here? Yours, not yours? Second time. Nice, well welcome back and welcome.
Thunder Mountain Railroad.
Your first time, are you scared? Alright, let's go. We're waiting.
I want you to go.
Ready, princess?
Yeah.
Ready?
Strapped in?
On the railroad now then, let's do that.
Good. I want to do it again.
Were you scared?
No.
Not just the dark parts?
No.
That was a long coaster.
Can I please do it again?
Yeah.
A Minnie Mouse cake pop and it's popped and it smells really good. Yeah.
Ready? Ready for adventures?
Yes.
Ready for the Indiana Jones ride. Let's be fun. I feel like we're walking to, I don't know, great mysteries. waiting for the Fantasmic Show to start. We've been told it's 5 minutes, thankfully, because we've been waiting for an hour. So stay tuned, this is going to be amazing. Now we're in the dark. Now you're on camera. What do you want to say?
Nothing. I'm the best. Oh my god.
Someone's going to push you out of the camera.
Oh my god. I almost ruined the popcorn. I am the best. Do you know the way?
Alright, time for Fantasmic. As you can see by the crowds, we've been sitting here waiting for some time. If you want to get priority seating, you can get a dining package. So we got the to-go package from the Hungry Bear restaurant. That's the cheapest one to get. $30 for an adult, $20 for a kid. Get you a meal, pretty good healthy meal, and you get reserved seating for the show because apparently it's meant to be awesome. And now we have the seats and we can see, and it saves us lining up for hours and hours. Only 1 hour instead of hours and hours. Truly awesome. And now fireworks are about to start, so you can hang around this area and wait for the closing fireworks. Day 2 at Disneyland has been a cracker. We started with the Minnie Mouse breakfast, got all dressed up as princesses. Jasmine's behind me, met all the characters, then went into the castle to meet all the princesses who were lovely and gave us heaps of time and attention, and Gaston was hilarious.
You're trying to cut me out of the camera, okay? No, I will stay in the camera.
We'll say something.
Hi.